I'm Aditya. I head the India Didactic Association, which is the National Association for Education in India. DIDAC basically comes from the word didactics, which means anything to do with teaching and learning. We talk about the art and science of teaching and learning, and DIDAC as an association represents India in the global space. We are a conglomerate of more than 20 countries around the world, where we bring together the best practices which are happening across the globe, whether it is about K-12 education, higher education, technical education. We bring hardware, software, content, curriculum, teacher training from all over the world into one common platform. The DIDAC journey has been very interesting. I mean, it's been the 10th edition this year. From the first year where we felt that we were trying to bring companies together and bring educators, bringing 500 educators under the one roof was difficult. But today we see in 10 years that more than 12,000 educators have actually visited the event in the last 2.5 days from more than 29 states of India, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, around 18 or 19 countries. So you think of an event which says the best of education from exhibitors from 20 countries. We've got 180 companies participating with 1,500 brands. We've got more than 12,000 educators from 29 states. We had 11 international ministers with us, 7 state ministers. You think of the MHRD bodies like NCRT, NIOS, AICTE, all of them are using the platform to exhibit. So we're saying the public sector and the private sector organizations coming together, exhibiting what is required in education. Nobody replaces anybody. This is a fact. If somebody says this will replace that, it's just a fear factor created to sell their products. Everything is about supplementing and complementing. There's a lot of discussion which has been happening about, will technology replace teachers? Never. Technology will never replace teachers. It will only supplement it. Similarly, technology coming into exhibition as an industry is only going to make exhibition industry better. You think of processes, go back 20 years and you say, how does the registration process happen? Registration processes were all manual, form filling, big lines, big queues. It's all technology today. There was no social media 20 years back. So you had to reach out to your customer, your visitor into an exhibition by advertising, talking to them, going to their centers. Today, digital world is making all the world come closer. So nobody replaces anybody, it only makes things better. It's only about how you use technology which can make the big difference. Well, what makes DIDAC exhibition popular is the fact that we are the only event in the country which brings together the entire global training and products, education and training products and solutions. Plus, we are the largest event in Asia Pacific for this industry. The fact that educators don't pay for anything, they come here, they experience the conference, the workshops, the exhibition. You've got 27 workshops happening over the 3 days. You've got the conference, you've got all of these brands, all in one single place. So in fact, we've had a lot of owners, principals, heads of schools and colleges, which are actually telling us that there are students here. So if you actually say the trainer has become the student and coming and experiencing an event like this, that's what makes DIDAC popular. Well, I guess the highlight of DIDAC 2018 is the kind of visitors, educators which are coming in. Apart from all of the stuff we've put together, starting with conferences, multiple parallel conferences, 27 workshops, there are the DIDAC talks happening, the B2B meetings happening, there are all the products coming from all of these countries. I think the biggest advantage or the biggest success story which we see in these 2.5 days, little early to say what is the success, but one of the success we say today is visitors from 28 states of India. And that's not something which most exhibitions enjoy. So we say that 82% of our visitor audience as on today is coming from out of Delhi, and they're coming from 28 states of India. The plan is to make DIDAC bigger, better, make sure that all our 16 lakh schools and 50,000 colleges take benefit of DIDAC.